NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Navitas Semiconductor stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, ultimately, NVTS is just a bullish market for me, and I'm looking to just double down, hopefully take it higher. Especially with this, since, you know, this is my demand area, and all I wanted to see is just a little pull down so I can double down buy. And it pulled down for sure and exactly gave me that, but the double break was just never met. And I was like, okay, I'm just not going to force it. It seems like it's about to freaking deliver to my highs. So that's sick. That's very good. How I'm looking to just hopefully double down on this is if I have my double break confirmation here, then and only then I'll continue to double down and buy. And if my rules are not met, then I'm not buying whatsoever. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if they're not met, I'm not buying. Very freaking simple. Now pre-market is a little bit higher, which is fine. You know, like I'm not going to run after it. Just going to have abundance because there's not lack of coverage. There's so much receipt, like tickers, no need to run after. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.